Hey there, in today's video, I want to show you a low impact, high intensity workout that you could use to burn fat, keep you flexible, and also tone your body. All right, here we go, your low impact, high intensity workout. So the first thing I wanted to do is actually run you through all of the exercises, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a workout together. So the first exercise we're doing is hip opens. You're gonna wanna do is stand chest up, shoulders back, core nice and tight. You're gonna bring that right knee up and around, step, and then bring the left knee up and around. So you wanna focus on really pulling in your core, keeping it nice and tight, and always maintaining a nice even breath. If you need to hold on to a chair or a countertop, you can do that as well to maintain balance. You just really want to focus on pulling your core in and using those core muscles to bring that leg up and over. The next exercise we're doing is step jacks. So step jacks, a traditional jumping jack, hands up overhead. A step jack is as you step to the right, your hands come up, leg comes back, and then you step. So this is a lot more low impact, and it's gonna help you focus on moving your body in that fluid motion. So as your hands come up, really pull in that core. If you need to take it slow, do not rush. Next exercise we're doing is elbows to the sky. So hands are gonna be facing back behind you, chest up, shoulders back. Always maintain that athletic stance. Be pushing your elbows up and back while at the same time not crunching up your neck. Really want to focus on your triceps. You're going to feel the back of your arms and your shoulder blades really working here. Then what we're going to be doing is a stationary speed skater. So stationary speed skater, you're going to be standing with your feet a little bit wider than shoulder width, okay? And you're going to be pushing to one side, coming up onto that toe, and to the other side, coming up on the toe. Really pushing through, pressing through your heel as you come to the back. Sit back nice and far, pull in the belly, pushing back and forth. Okay, just back and forth. Then we're going monkey pumps. So hands up, in line with your elbow, elbow in line with your shoulder. Bring the arms together, open and up. Super important, when your hands come up, you want to make sure that you close your belly button into your spine and you close that rib cage. So again, from here, close nice and even with your mouth. As you come up, close the rib cage together, and then you're down. Close, open, up, down. Close, open, up, down. So that's the monkey pump. Then we're going a high, wide side knee. Hands up behind the head, or if you need more stability, up on a countertop or a chair, and you're just crunching. Very similar to that hip open. You want all of the pressure to be in your core, in your tummy, really toning those muscles. At the same time, also creating flexibility in your hips. The last exercise we're doing is a rising lunge. So this is a stationary lunge. Okay, you can put that right foot forward, left foot back, and you just want to be comfortable. You're gonna lower down. As you come up, your hands come up over your head. As you come down, they come down. Okay, you really want to focus on making sure this front knee doesn't go over the toe, because if it does, you're gonna put a lot of pressure on that knee and a lot of pressure on the quad. We want to build those nice tight butt muscles. So, ready, down, okay, come up and down, and up and down, really pulling the belly button in, and we'll do both sides, okay? So that's your low impact, high intensity workout. Let's go ahead and do this together now. So it's gonna be all rep based, so don't rush through this, but try to keep up with me and focus on form. So the first thing we're starting with is hip opens. We're gonna do 10 of these. So we're gonna start hands up, 3, 2, 1, and opens. That's 1, big breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, don't rush through this, 6, 7, nice work, 8, big breath, 9, last one, 10, right into 20 step jacks. So stepping it up, 2, 3, maintain that even breath, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right to elbows in the sky. Take a big breath, chest up, shoulders back. We're pushing them up for 20. 2, 3, good. 4, 5, 6, keep that chest up. Look at me here. 9, 10, 10 more. 10, 9, really squeeze those triceps. 7, 6, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, right into that stationary skater. So nice and wide here and bounce. Good. And 2 and 3 and 4. Good. 5. We're going to go 20. 6, 7, 8. Really feel like you're pulling in the core. 10. 10 more. 10, 9. Really breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, feel it in your hamstrings. 2 and 1, shake it out. Right into monkey pump. So hands up, close, open, 1. Close, open, 2, good. 3, really pull in the core. 4, good. 5 from the side here. 6, 7, really focus on touching those elbows. 8, 9, 10, good. Shake it out. Now we got those high, wide side knees. Hands up, and 1, 2, we're gonna go 20 here. 3, 4, 5, 6, good. 7, hold on to something if you need it. 9, 10, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, good. 5, 4, really feel that core working. 3, 2, and 1, right into the rising lunge. Take that step. First time, going down. As you come up, hands come up. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, really focus on great form, pulling the core. 5, 6, good. 7, 8, 9, 10, standing up, switching legs. Take that forward leg. First come down, ready, and 1, pull it down. 2, 3, really maintain that breath. 4, 5, 6, 7, good. 8, 9, 10, shake it out. Let's go ahead and do another round. Just keep your legs nice and loose. Remember, we're going into 10 hip opens. Get some water here. Got about 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Get ready here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and open. 1, 2, 3. Good. Feel that core working. 4, 5, 6. Good. 7, nice work. 8, 9, 10, right into step jacks, and 1, 2, let's go 20 here. 3, 4, good. 5, 6, breathe. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more. 10, 9. right, so that's your low impact, high intensity workout that you can use anytime, anywhere, no equipment needed. Now, if you like this, what I've done down below is add a free 1-minute workout that you can take advantage of right now. It's very similar to what we just did, and I know you're absolutely gonna love it, so make sure you check that out. And also make sure you leave a comment for me about what your favorite exercise was. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one.